Hello. Right now we are on our way to, what's that show called? Tune Revolution?
Yeah.
We're on our way to Tune Revolution. We are rolling deep tonight. We got
Cars.
Pancho Z. We got an EMG, my GTR, Danny's G, and Alex's G20. We're at the gas station right now, about to get some gas, and then we'll be on our way, and we'll see you guys there. All right, we're back in the GTR. I'm here with Henry. Right, Henry? Say hi to the people, Henry. Yes, sir. Back in the GTR. Damn, this shit's crazy. Still can't believe it. And who's leading? I'm leading.
You're leading, buddy.
I don't know where to go. I'm leading, so we're probably gonna get lost. All right, let's go. And where were we at, Henry?
I don't fucking know.
Oh man, everybody got lost. We're in the middle of the highway, just waiting for everybody else to catch up. Didn't I tell you guys we were gonna get lost? All right.
Damn.
Unbelievable.
We were just going straight the whole time.
I know, we were going straight the whole time, and then somehow everybody got lost. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Good news. Everybody's back. We're all in a line now. We're gonna try not to get lost, but most likely we will. We're like maybe 30 minutes away from the show. So in the meantime, enjoy this B-roll.
In here, the Mustang.
This is where we parked last time.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, 350, my bad, yo.
Damn.
Close that
Is that a little smoke cloud?
Yeah. AMG.
It's car show time. Vamonos, Henry. Shut the fuck up, alright? I'm never bringing this guy to another show again. We got Omar over there in the C63, Danny over here. Everybody's ready. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Hey, Minion. Danny.
You got to
Hey.
Brotherhood.
Oh, we checking out some cars, or we checking out some girls, or what?
Hey, all of the above.
Damn.
Hey, but we gotta keep it PG. We got Melly here.
Oh yeah, I got my sister here. I already bought mine though. Online ticket scam.
It's always been one of my favorites.
Yeah? Oh, it's right hand drive too. Holy fuck. Oh, wow. Wow.
Shit.
What? That's 14?
Yeah.
Koki. Oh, wow. It smells JDM as fuck in there, Danny.
Yeah, we seen this last week here.
Huh?
Yeah, all of the parts from the JDM line.
What's this? Oh, but it smells JDM as fuck though.
Yeah, the JDM.
Yeah. Holy mother of wing. Lily, watch out! I'm running you over.
Big ass wing.
I'm saying, right? Damn, that's the nicest color, dude.
That's nice, bro. I like it.
Look, it looks different on the camera than it does in person, right?
What?
It looks different in the camera than it does in person.
Yeah, it does. It's different. Way different.
Yeah. See, right here's like a blue, like a
Yeah.
sky blue, and that's all like.
It's like a teal.
Yeah.
I think it's a wrap, dude. Yeah, it's a wrap.
Dope ass color though, shit. What in the world? Holy hell.
Where's DJ and up?
I don't know, you wanna go look for him?
Looking for
I
him.
feel like it's smaller this year than last year.
You think so?
I feel like
Oh yeah, they got the big ass. Damn, they got a semi in here too.
oil tires, bro.
Holy.
That's pretty sick.
Damn. I thought you were going with Lalo, Millie. Huh? Where'd he go? Oh. What?
Oh shit.
Oh, that is so cool.
Imagine that being at night.
Look up.
Oh, snap. That is so dope.
Look up the thing. No wonder.
You saw the headliner?
That's cool.
Damn.
I already know.
See, those wheels look better.
No, they look same.
Yeah, no.
You're looking for
They look better than Danny's,
TK5.
right? No.
Oh, look at this.
Huh?
The little motor.
Damn, this is nice as fuck.
How do you do?
The what?
The little baby.
Man, you're out here tripping, man. Why are you tripping, Alex?
Chicken.
Oh yeah, your color combo. Looks nice, right?
It's over in that color, I'm telling you.
Or look, it's 240, Sylvia.
Real simple.
This one's nice too. What? Oh my god, I missed it. What in the world? Rotifor? Dinner plates? It's like the ones I wash at work, bro. Holy. Is this you, Danny? Is this Danny?
I know whose car it is, but I can't remember the name.
Last but not least, got the camera video. So kids, I'm gonna have you back down on the concrete. Try to get the battle started. Once again, we're gonna do the piece breaking battle first. And then we got the
Man, look at the C63.
Once again, can I have all my judges report? First up, young man Jay Woods, Southwest. Want to do round 2?
Oh
Let's
shit,
go.
Right here. Dustin Williams.
Yeah, Sabrina's there, bro.
Huh?
She's right there. Oh my god.
I kind of want to get in line, bro.
You want to? Damn, look at the line.
That whole line.
Holy fuck.
That's a long ass line, bro.
You gonna get a line or? What? Yeah. That's a long ass line.
I'd rather pay someone $20 to get a friend.
Yeah.
If this shit jump off, you know the thing that I'm so in. But I'm only in a party, y'all. Carry everywhere. Party ground.
I'm pretty sure someone will let us jump for $20, dog.
I don't know, man. 40, 50.
They're gonna be taxing on the cut. Damn, they went off for a
What's up? Oh, GTR. I know, yeah. This is my people.
I see fancy things on it already.
Oh, this is Tony. Holy shit, this thing is dope.
Hey, bro.
Diffuser, right?
Look at this shit. That's the future Daniel right there.
Jesus. Sit down next to Teresa right there.
Oh shit, look at that guy.
Sit down next to her. Whoa, that is so cool. Yeah, go sit down next to her.
That's sick, bro.
Whoa.
That's insane.
See, even though I have one, it still amazes me. Like,
Yeah, right?
seeing others. Oh, these are the intakes I got.
Damn.
I got the
You
same
these
ones,
Same
yeah.
ones? Oh shit. This is nice.
Dang, carbon fiber too. Carbon fiber front lid. Ew.
They
I'm
snap.
slacking, dude.
It's clean, bro.
I know, right? Hi. Hey. Your first show? First show in the IS? Damn. How do you feel?
I think it looks alright.
But like, how do you feel being in an actual show? Yeah. Oh my god.
It's pretty cool, dude.
Yeah. Next to a 300Z.
That's Jonathan.
I know, dude. Who's
Jonathan, bro. What's up, bro? Don't know where he is. Bro, you start looking at all the cars and shit, and you're like, man.
I know, right? That's how I feel.
Cars is
too,
badass,
dude.
dude.
They're so fucking badass.
And my shit's like, it's alright.
With your Viagra tip, holy fuck.
Because my friend, man, that's fucking nice.
That's your buddy? You know him?
Wow, he's just a Muslim.
Oh, for real? Oh, IS buddies, how cute. show was over. Car show was over, guys. You know, I had to stop for my Starbucks on the way home. Huh? Oh, let's go then. And we are currently going back home. I'm running on 4 hours of sleep. You too?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He was out getting some punani last night, so so you know he has to get back to sleep. Alex is about to go get some too right now. Over in Bolingbrook. Damn. And me, I don't get shit, so
It's too far, man.
let's go. Vámonos, guys. I'll see y'all at the alley. All right, we made it back home. Minion, how was the drive? Unbelievable, unbelievable,
Yeah, that's the answer.
unbelievable.
I mean, we took what, 2 tolls? I mean,
We took 2 tolls, which reminds me I have to pay those tolls.
I got the picture. I took pictures.
So I'm gonna rewatch this video myself so I could remind
I
myself.
took pictures.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, but it comes out online.
Yeah, but I took pictures.
All right, cool. Thank you.
The time and.
Well, oh, check this out. So I put my YouTube name on GTR. See, so if you guys ever see me out on the street, look for the decal and you know it's me. I hope you guys enjoyed the show.
I hope you already did, 'cause
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it because we spent all day over there. So I enjoyed it. Alex enjoyed it. We had Kuma's Corner afterwards. And then of course I had my Starbucks, as you saw. But yeah, I'm like 7 subscribers away from 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe literally right now. Oh, it's Maui. Ooh, surprise visit from Maui.
I guess we're ending the vlog then.
If you guys want to know what happens next, then make sure you stay tuned. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.